is already. Aya's recording.
Last week, the Indonesian government banned Harry Tanno from travelling abroad due to an investigation into allegations that he sent a threatening text message to a prosecutor who was looking into one of his former companies. Tanno denies it and says the accusations are politically motivated. Next week, Sarah Ferguson will be back and will bring you a brave and inspiring film about a growing epidemic in Australia, dementia, a disease affecting an increasing number of Australians. We take you into the lives of some of those living with dementia and the families supporting them as they share their hopes, fears and plans for the future. We'll leave you with this preview. Good night.